In this short unit, we're talking about homology and analogy, which are interesting concepts. And homology can give us an example or give us ideas about the evolutionary relatedness of organisms, whereas analogy sort of serves to confuse things a little bit if that's the only aspect you're looking at to try to determine whether organisms are related. So homology is similar structures that result from a common ancestry. They could have different functions, though. The forelimbs of tetrapods are examples of homologous structures. So, for instance, if you look at the arm of a person and the arm of a bird and the foreleg of a cat and the front flipper of a whale or a dolphin, you might notice that the bones in here look a little bit different, but they actually are the same bones. They come from the same embryological origin, and that tells us that they have a common ancestor. However, if you look at the functions of these different structures, they're all very different. So the human hand is for grasping things. Obviously, a bird's wing is for flying. A cat's foreleg is for running and for catching prey, and the dolphin's flipper is for steering while they're swimming. So homologous structures are the result of common ancestry, but they can have different functions. Now, analogous structures look the same, but they come from a different ancestry. So they're similar structures that result from a common function, but a different ancestry. So wings in the different animals that have wings are very good examples of this. So for instance, here we have a bat, and the bat's wing surface is stretched over the bones of the foreleg. And then we look at this bee here, and there are no bones in the wing at all. And insects are not vertebrates like the bat is. And so the wings of a bat and a bee are analogous structures. They look similar because they're both for the purpose of flying, but they have a very different ancestry and they have a different embryological origin. So be sure to check your readings if you need more information about the difference between homology and analogy.